Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Tesla Model 3 in reverse. To begin, locate the gear selector stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. Before shifting, always ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step to prevent unintended movement. Once ready, push the stalk all the way up and then release it. You'll feel a slight click, indicating the gear has engaged. This simple action will prepare your Model 3 for backing up smoothly. After you've pushed the stalk, confirm that reverse is engaged by looking at your Tesla's large touchscreen. You should see a clear R indicator appear, signifying the car is in reverse gear. Simultaneously, the rear-view camera will automatically activate, providing a wide view of what's behind you. Always take a moment to visually check your surroundings, using both the camera and your mirrors, before you start to move. For the smoothest experience, always ensure your Model 3 is completely stopped before attempting to shift into reverse. Avoid quickly shifting back and forth between drive and reverse, as this can be jarring and isn't ideal for the vehicle's systems. When backing up, utilize your side mirrors and the car's ultrasonic sensors. They provide valuable feedback to help you navigate tight spaces and park with precision, keeping your vehicle safe. Once you've finished reversing and are ready to park, simply press the button located at the very end of the gear selector stalk. This action will immediately shift your Tesla Model 3 into park. A great feature is that the parking brake automatically engages when you select park, adding an extra layer of security. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.